Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's having a good day today. It's a pretty rainy day out here where I am, but I just wanted to take some time to talk to you guys about my Traxxas Stampede work I've been doing. This is the Stampede. Got brand new tires. Paid about $50 for them on eBay from a guy named Cash for RC. Highly recommend him. He's really good, affordable. So he has tires. Then he had a body. This is the Bigfoot body. I went with a deep sea blue black on this. And it actually came out really nice looking. I love the way it came out. Got some runs in the paint, but it actually looks kind of cool. Gives it like a weathered look, I would say. But yeah, this is the Stampede. If you can see in there, I don't want to take the body off just yet. We have a 3S VXL in it. The VXL motor. The ESC, I actually cooked it. Fried. So that's why we started rebuilding this. And we're going to start putting new A-arms in here. I want to get some red ones. I think I might go with aluminum. I don't know what people recommend, but sound off in the comments and tell me what you guys think I should do. Aluminum or just the Traxxas plastic red pieces. And then, I don't know if you guys can see this on camera, but this wheel right here looks like it's going that way. Right? I don't know. Looks like it. So then, I don't know. Just doing a random video today. This is the old Bigfoot body I had. Definitely took some abuse. As you can see, we're missing a part of the hood and the fender. And we got a good crease mark right here. So, to avoid this, I was thinking, I know a lot of people do shoe goo, which is probably good, but what about Flex Seal? Would you guys recommend doing Flex Seal on the inside of a body? We think that would hold better than shoe goo? Sound off in the comments, let me know. And then it brings me to my little FMS. I love this little thing. It's like a miniature Stampede. Got nothing bad to say about it. I kind of want to get these tires for the Stampede. And then I would like to get these tires for this guy, the Max. Just picked this off of eBay for $300. It definitely needs a lot more work than I thought. But for $300, I think it's a steal. The motor works. The ESC does work. I have to get the ESC fan cover off somehow. So I spoke with Traxxas. They said it's pretty easy. There's a screw here, and it looks like a little push tab here, and it should pop right off. So I'm hoping that's easy because that red wire is not attached anymore. That's how I got it. So for $300, we're not spending a lot. We're just trying to get it running and see what it needs. So that, I know we need that. Amazon has that part for about $20, I think it is. This fan works. The motor works. Everything turns on. The only other thing that we have going on here is the spur gear was really chewed up. And then this pinion gear was not attached at all. So, other than that, I think we got a good buy on it, and this tire has no air. So you get two new tires. The two front ones hold air. Well, I don't know, maybe we should just buy 4 new tires. Spend the $80. Get 2 new shocks. Spend a little bit more money. But when it's all said and done, it's a steal for $300. And I also got the Traxxas dual peak dual charger with it. 2 3-cell batteries, and 2 rear drive shafts, and a remote. So you can't beat that for $300. I mean, this thing advertises like what, $569 from Traxxas. So if I can get it for $300, which I did, then it's really not bad. But sound off in the comments. Also, is this a wide max or just a regular max? I don't know anything about the max whatsoever. I mean, it looks wide to me, but haven't had a chance to go to my local hobby shop yet. But sound off in the comments. Thank you for watching. We're going to keep doing different videos. I do a lot of shorts. I do a lot of random videos. But thank you for your support to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Stay safe out there.